Art tips for everyone. For beginners, let's start by learning how to learn drawing. I won't be teaching you specific techniques on how to draw objects, but I will guide you on building consistency and practicing for faster improvement. Tip number 1, you are not perfect, and no one is perfect. So don't waste too much time trying to perfect your practice, because perfection doesn't exist, especially when you're still learning. Remember, too much detail can actually ruin your craft. Instead, embrace the flaws in your skills and focus on improving them in your next practice. For example, if you're practicing how to draw heads, don't worry about making them perfect. Just focus on the fundamentals, like the skull. Draw a bunch of skulls and really try to understand the form. Keep it simple, just quick sketches, 1 to 2 minutes each. Then move on to another angle or another reference. Repeat the process until you feel confident with it. Tip number 2, be consistent. Even if you're busy, spend at least 10 minutes a day drawing. In short, draw every day, no matter what it takes, if you really want to improve faster. Now, if you're struggling with art blocks or find yourself procrastinating, I've got a solution for you. Try reading the book Mind Management, Not Time Management. It's a great resource that can really help you shift your mindset and stay productive. Check it out on the yellow basket. Tip number 3, reference is not your enemy. Since you're still learning and honing your skills, always use references in your studies. Some people think using reference isn't artistic, but think about it. How can you draw without it? Even when you use your imagination, you're still recreating things you've already seen. So it's really not that different. If you limit yourself to drawing only from imagination, your progress will slow down and you won't improve as much. References are tools. Use them to build your foundation and grow your skills. Tip number 4, stop comparing your art to other artists. They are not you. The only work you should compare your art to is your own older pieces. That way, you'll stay motivated when you see how much you've improved. If you compare yourself to someone who's been doing art their whole life, you'll only end up discouraged. Instead, look at their work as inspiration, something to strive for while still developing your own style. Be yourself, and most importantly, don't stop creating. Before we move on to tip number 5, if you're looking for an affordable sketchbook, check out the one in the yellow basket. And if you need a reliable mechanical pencil, you'll find it there too. Don't forget to check them out. Tip number 5, stand up. Even if you're super motivated and end up drawing for hours, you can hurt your back if you don't take breaks. After an hour of drawing, or even every 30 minutes, just stand up and stretch for a bit. No matter how good your art gets, it's not worth it if you hurt yourself in the process. So stay health conscious, take care of your body, and your art sessions will be much more enjoyable. If you think these tips are helpful, don't forget to like and follow for more art tips. Also, comment on the topics you're struggling with, and let's see what we can do about it. And that's the last tip for today. I hope these reminders help you improve your art while enjoying the process. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and most importantly, don't stop creating.